Namaste little things. Welcome to my next video. I'm Shiny. As I told you in last video, I'm going to do a video presentation about the type of interview questions. So today's my video is about behavioral interview question. What's that mean? Let's have a look. Behavioral interview questions are modern way of interviewing people for the professionals, like in a company interview or in hospital interviews and big organizations. They follow the behavioral interview question methods. So what's all about it? When the questions asked, the way of answering is from your experience. It can be past experience or a current experience or any life experience you can give us an example. So what they want to know, in a difficult situation, how did you behave and how did you manage such a circumstances? That's behavioral method of interview questions. So my next tip, how can you answer a behavioral interview questions? Then I will give you 3 examples in this video. Then I'll do another video about another 3 examples. Because if I give you all the methods today in one video, you can't concentrate and you can't remember. Okay. So first, it's the best way of remembering to answer behavioral interview questions. You say star. What is star? Oh, it's a shining star, isn't it? So star means the first letter is S. The S state that situation. So when they ask a question, first you need to tell the situation. The next letter is T. T means task. What was the project? What was the issue? What was the challenge? That's the task. So you need to say what is the task. The next is A. Stands for action. Action means what did you do? How did you manage the situation? What is your part? That's the action. Then what's the last letter is R. R means result. Result means outcome. What was the outcome of the whole situation solving project? That's star. Star means situation, task, action and result. In the result part, you can get feedback. Also you can do a reflection. The reflection part, you can evaluate yourself. What did you done? What was lacking? So you can improve as well. So that's all about behavioral interview question and answers. Then I'll give you some examples. It's from my experience. It's nothing. It's might be not happen. I'm just giving you an example. That's it. So the first question is, how do you handle a challenging situation? Or do you have a challenging situation at work? What did you do? So what you're going to do, you need to think about a situation. There was a challenging situation and what did you do? What was the action? From my working experience, I'm a theatre nurse, operation theatre nurse. So I'll give you an example. It's just an example. So what happened in a theatre situation? There's lots of theatres, lots of speciality. So where I work, there is 2 theatres for one speciality. So one day morning, 2 surgeons arguing about a patient, about the operation they want to do. But there is an issue. But they are arguing in the corridor, which is not good. Because we can't argue about a patient on the corridor, which is the breach of confidentiality. So that's the wrong thing. So as a leader, there's lots of problems. The surgeons are arguing and in the corridor in front of everyone, and you can't start the list, and your teams are getting annoyed. So what as a leader, what you need to do? What as a in charge, what you can do? So what you need to do, you need to think, use your leadership skills here. You need to approach them and ask them, can we go to a private room or private area where we can keep the confidentiality? So take them to a room or area which you feel is safe. nobody is listening to you, and approach them nicely and ask them what's the problem. So we need to find out what's the problem. So I find out the problem, then you need to give a solution. What can we do? So if example I said in operation theater, in cases we need to prioritize cases. If something is emergency, or patient can wait, or patient can't wait, we need to operate quickly. So we need to prioritize the case and come to a conclusion and decision which can do first and the other one can wait. So if you can resolve the problem, it means you are successful. So this is the end of this video. I'll see you in next video.